Alright guys, so today we are headed down and into a canyon in the Wallamai National Park, and look, I've come in here many times before and taken many photos in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you on the journey in the video, and instead of going through the whole photography side of things, I will show up photos that I've taken in here in the past. Except for one photo here that I'm gonna take with the group that I've got in here with me today. I've got some family in here with me today, but I will say for the photographers in here, a few things. You do a lot of exposure blending, so you know you're taking photos for your shadows and your highlights because it's pretty dark. But we'll see how long this battery lasts, and yeah, we'll take you on this journey. And I will say this though, I will give the location. This is called Rocky Creek and Twisted Canyon. How do I say this? Don't come down here alone. Always come down here with a group of friends. Bring a spare rope. Make sure you're wearing wetsuits. And it would pay off to come down here with somebody who's been down here before. It's a very exciting and fun canyon, but it can also be very dangerous. So just keep that stuff in mind. But I tell you what, it doesn't get much better than this. Beautiful canyon in here, and you can do the entire thing without abseiling. Or there is a couple of climbs with ropes that are pre-existing sitting there, but nothing too serious. A few waterfall jumps, slides and whatnot. Anyway, we're going to take you on that ride today, and we'll see how we go. And I'll put the wide view on so I can try and catch a bit more in it. And we'll talk again sometime soon. Come along for the ride and enjoy. You ready? The entry into the canyon. Hey? Before. My son, my daughter, her girlfriend, my girlfriend. It's too cold, freezing, the water's freezing. Hey, watch your steps, you're going to slip straight away. Anyway, it's a series of jumps, and this is the first one. It's shallow. It's shallow as. Oh, jump to this side here. To the right. You can just go on your bum and slide it. That's the next jump. And these guys are still getting into this one because it's freezing cold. Oh, there's no avoiding the water craft. Yeah, like us straight after this. You can slide on this one too or jump, it's up to you. Sounds like there's a ducky in here too. But these guys are trying not to get wet. And they're about to come into this. There's no avoiding the water. Would you do the slide? Slide? Yeah. Yeah, you can slide the whole thing. Alright, you can see these guys already having the time of their life. You can slide this one or jump, and it's up to you. Trust me, you get used to it, eh? had a tree fall down in the last 12 months. So this used to be a slide as well. Listen, this was a slide. There's nothing here that is going to be grippy, alright? Nah, it's deep. Just slip out on your bum, you'll be right. Yeah. Legs up. She might be able to stop herself up too fast. Just stick to that side. Oh no! Couple more jumps ahead of us there. Listen, I said it to you before, when you jump into pools of water like this, I said it back there, lift your legs up. Not bomb with your legs crunch, lift them up like you're sitting down, yeah? There's a rock to the right of this ledge, jump into the left. Before you jump, always make sure you've got a footing on a good piece that's not slippery, alright? So you don't throw yourself off, okay? You can see this is a wear mark. You can see that, alright? Remember to the left, yeah? Where? What? Branch, big branch. Long way away. Just go out towards that rock. Yeah. No flipping down here. Do not flip down here, alright? This is Roger's serious face. You might as well jump because you've got some jumps coming up that you have to do. So this is a good warm-up. I've never seen anybody sweat in ice cold water like this before. You can, but you got some jump. No. Jump. No, you got this. You got it. That's it. So we got thumbs up from everybody? Yeah. Everybody's happy down to be down here? Yeah. This one's a bit bigger for you, Mel.
Yeah, but this one is a straight off. This is...
And the next one's even bigger one.
No, the next one's or it might be the one after. There's one that's super hairy. Not a big jump. That's it, well done. Well done. Go. You're doing really well.
Easier than the last one. It's
You're doing really well. Yeah.
This one takes easier now. The last one was harder.
My nickname is Humpty Dumpty. Right. That's a lot of fun. My son is just taking his shoulder up there. You want to go and get help? Just don't jump out here, right? Just jump in there. You're good. Thank you. That's good.